If the HiCare app is not installed on your device, please go to Huawei App Gallery to download and install it. Make sure your device that there's no pending update left to install. You can check it by going into Settings, Open System and Software Update. We recommend installing system updates when your battery is at least 50% charged. Ensure you have a minimum of 5 GB internal storage left in your device. In case of data loss, we strongly suggest you to back up your data and complete all system updates through System Update before your upgrade to Emui 10.